Good morning, class. So this morning, I am your teacher in good manners and the right conduct. So, may I request everyone to please stand. Please lead the prayer, Ria. Amen. Good morning, class. So before you take your seat, please pick up some pieces of paper at your chair. You may now take your seats. So, is there any absent in this morning class? Very good. So, can you remember our classroom rules, class? Okay, our classroom rules is respects. R stands for, please read, Ria. Okay, so A stands for, please read, Angelica. Alright, and A stands for, yes, please read, Jeremiah. Alright, P stands for, please read, Jason. Alright, E stands for, please read, Mike. Okay, and C stands for, please read, Anthony. Yes, and T stands for, yes, please read, Ariana. Alright, again, what is our classroom rules? Very good. Hoping that our classroom rules will be applied in our class. Okay, who can remember our topic class meeting? Yes, Christina? Okay, our topic class meeting is all about valuing kindness. So, valuing kindness, volunteering, and donating time to help those in needs. Alright, so I have prepared here a pictures, and I want you to observe these pictures. So, in the first, what can you observe? Yes, John. Alright. How about in the second picture? What can you observe? Yes, Ryan. Okay. How about in the third picture? Yes, Marvin. Okay. And the last picture, what can you observe? Christine. Alright. So, based on the pictures that you showed, who can guess what is our topic this morning? Yes, Albert? Very good. Our topic this morning is all about valuing respect. So, Darren, please read the meaning of respect. Alright. So, we have 9 different types of respect. The first one is respect for self. So, please read, Jarison. Thank you. So, example of respect for self is prioritizing self-care, meaning to taking care of yourself, physical, emotional, and mental well-being. So, the second types of respect is respect for others. So, please read, Jumai. Okay, thank you. So, the example of respect for others is kind communication. You are going to speak in considerate and polite tone, avoiding hurtful, aggressive language. So, the third one is respect for social norms. Please read, Ria. Okay, thank you. So, example for respect for social norms is dressing appropriately, wearing suitable attire for occasion, culture, or workplace. So, the second one is respect for nature. Please read, sweet. Okay, thank you. So, the example of respect for nature is reducing waste, recycling, composing, and minimizing single-use plastic to lessen environmental impact. So, the second one, respect for family. Please read it, Maria. Okay, thank you. So, example of respect for family is supporting each other, offering emotional support, help, encouragement during challenging time. So, the next one is respecting for values. So, please read it, Jane. Okay, thank you. So, the example of respecting for values is honesty, being truthful and transparent in your words and action. So the next one is respecting for culture. Please read, Christina. Alright. The example of respecting for culture is participating in cultural events, attending cultural festivals, celebrations, and event with an open mind. So next is respect national symbol. Yes, please read to mine. Alright, thank you. So the example of respect for national symbol is the anthem, musical compositions that evoke patriotism and national pride. So one is respect for human being. So please read in Antonita. Yes, thank you. So the example of respect for human being is equality, valuing and treating everyone with fairness without discrimination or bias. So, I have here a activity. Please read the directions. Genre. Okay, thank you. So, I hope that you can finish that in 5 minutes. So, do you want more activity class? Okay, so this activity, please read everybody the directions. Alright, so please answer that in 3 minutes in the 1/2 sheet of paper. Okay, so are you finished, class? Alright, so in our evaluation, please get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer it. Okay, please get your assignment notebook, and in your assignment, draw yourself that you remember you did respect to others. That's all, class. I understand everyone again to please stand. Please lead the prayer, Rio. Amen. Goodbye, class. Okay.